Hello and what is up mga kadzini? Well guys, today, samahan nyo ako sa isang napakahalagang misyon sapagkat tayo ay makikilahok sa isang feeding program. Well, alam naman natin na ang nutrisyon ay ang pundasyon ng malusog na buhay, lalo na para sa mga kabataan. At ang pakikiisa natin sa feeding program na to is not just about providing meals. It's about building a stronger, healthier, and more connected community. Kaya, samahan niyo ako as we uncover the impact of this program. Tara!
Colors in the morning, bright and wild. Brushes in my hand since I was a child. Painting joy where blues fade away. Sunshine hue, chasing clouds all day. Paint the sky and endless dreams so high. Dancing rainbows till the day we fly. Every stroke is a laugh out loud. Joyful waves splash through the crowd. In this campus world I'll stay, sketching love in my own.
So, sa likod natin ngayon guys, may mga nagpapack ng mga ipapa-feeding natin. Tinapay, may mga Milo, and dito naman sa kabilang side, kinukuha yung height and weight para of course, makuha rin yung BMI. Sir Bash, where are we?
Alalas po tayo ngayon na magpapakain tayo at magpapainom ng Milo everyday sa kabataan. Titingnan natin kung effective bang Milo.
Pangunguna ng UMS Cluster ng Calbayog City National High School, ang feeding program ay isinagawa para mabigyan ng intervention yung mga kabataang edad mula 6 hanggang 10 taon para mabigyan sila ng tamang impormasyon, lalo-lalo na yung mga parents, mabigyan sila ng tamang impormasyon paano i-prepare ang pagkain na dapat nandoon yung presence ng Go, Glow at saka Grow Foods. Nang sa ganon, maging mulat ang mga parents na ganoon ang tamang timpla ng pagkain at saka alam naman natin na ang mga bata kapag pumasok sa paaralan na busog, so malaki ang posibilidad na matututo sila ng maigi, and then later in the future, mas magiging future ready ang mga bata.
Sunrise kisses the sleepy town. Barefoot on grass I lay down, breathing in the morning air. No rush, no worries, no despair.
Lalilipay kaya hintaya na. Okay. Mampay na sa ating natenan, ano?
Salamat po na po sa mga teachers, sa mga bata, CDI.
Pangharap naton ay maupay na nutrisyon ng paglikay sa malnutrisyon.
Stars will smile in the night sky. Holding hands we wander free underneath the ancient trees. Moments like this forever stay. This is what I call the perfect day.
So guys, we are here again sa Barangay Nihaga, and actually this is the third session ng feeding natin sa mga kabataan. We were not around during the second time kasi every week may mga naka-assign and we are assigned on the third week. So again, we are here para i-ensure na mga healthy ang mga bata dito sa Barangay Nihaga.
Good morning, everyone. We are teachers from YUMS, of course, from Calbayog City National High School, and we have an import coming from CADSEB. We are actually here because we are having our community outreach. This is an activity of teachers wherein we try to reach out the people in the community so that we can try to render them or offer our service or services. Actually, our purpose here is to conduct feeding to those identified children who are considered as malnourished. By the way, we would like to inform that this is not an ordinary feeding or giving food to their children, but the most important thing why we try to conduct our activity is to educate the parents of these children, the importance of what kind of food we are going to serve them, especially to our children. Because the moment we try to give proper nutrients to our children, the product of this could try to benefit, including the entire well-being of a particular individual. Since pag healthy mind, healthy body, everything will actually follow. We have always to remember that our future lies from our children. Bye!
Morning light, it fills the air with a warmth beyond compare. Sharing smiles even with the shy. Let's make today our greatest high. You and me under open skies. Feel the breeze, see the sunrise. Spread the joy, laugh a while. Every moment brings a shimmering smile. So take my hand, let's dance and sway. Brighten up somebody's day. In this world of endless smiles, our love's a source of shimmering smiles.
Sa ating pakikiisa at pagiging bahagi sa aktibidad na ito, mas malalim kong naunawaan ang tunay na kahulugan ng pagiging bahagi ng isang bayan. Nakita ko ang pag-asa na nabubuhay sa mga mata ng mga bata. Napagtanto ko na sa bawat ngiti at sa bawat salamat, tayo ay nakakapagpasaya. Ang pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan ng mga guro, barangay officials at mga estudyante ay nagpapakita na ang diwa ng bayanihan ay nakaukit pa din sa ating mga puso at isipan. Higit sa lahat, natutunan ko na ang tunay na kayamanan ay hindi nasusukat sa mga material na bagay, kundi nagkukubli sa mga sandaling ang ngiti at tuwa ay naaaninag sa mga mata ng bawat bata.